Welcome back, Buyer Persona Grasshopper. This is Module 2, Lesson 2, where you're going to earn your black belt in creating B2B buyer personas to refine your advertising strategy. Remember, understanding your customer is as crucial as landing the perfect crane kick at the right moment. Let's put on our karate gis and jump into it. Let's use this worksheet to walk through the biggest items you need to know when developing a persona, whether it's for a decision maker, a champion, or an influencer persona. There's 5 major segmentation buckets to consider when putting together a persona. The 5 personas are demographic, segmentation, firmographic segmentation, geographic segmentation, technographic segmentation, and behavioral segmentation. With each segmentation, there's key information you should collect to build your personas, which will ultimately inform your advertising channel strategy, targeting, and messaging. Getting crystal clear on your buyer persona will help you maximize your resources, build internal trust with your sales and service teams, and drive better results. So let's walk through it in the worksheet. Here's demographic segmentation. This is how you're going to target your potential customer based on their role. There's 3 main categories in demographic segmentation. You've got your role, their responsibilities, and their age. For the role, just identify the job titles and the role that they're in and the level of the organization that they fall within. So for instance, if they're in the C-suite, and then what are their roles? The CEO, CFO, or CMO. And then with responsibilities, just identify the key areas that they oversee and manage. And then put in the age. The next is firmographic. This is how you're going to target your potential customers based on the company traits. So what's the company's industry? What's the employee size of the company? What's the revenue size? And ultimately, what is the company's competitors? The next segmentation is geographic segmentation. This is where you're going to target potential customers based on their company and physical location. So where's the company and employee locations? Fill that out here. Here's technographic segmentation. This is where you're going to target potential customers based on the tech they use. Just insert the tools that they use on a day-to-day basis here. The next one is behavioral segmentation. This is where you're going to fine-tune your messaging based on your potential customers' jobs to be done, decision-making processes, and more. The first one in behavioral segmentation is goals. This is really going to help detail what they do in their day-to-day jobs and what their job is measured by. The next is jobs to be done. Think of this as the pain points. We're going to elaborate on this in the next module. The next is the decision-making process. This is just going to go over how they make decisions, who needs to approve what product and service is being bought, and who signs the contract. Next is the evaluation process. This details what they typically search for, buy, and spend. Next one is objectives and concerns. List those out. And the last one is the consumption behaviors. How are they gaining the information on their jobs? Are they consistently using a specific social media platform? Are they in different communities? Or are they reading reports? Put that in consumption habits. And there you have it. Those are the 5 major segmentation buckets that you're going to be using to really refine your buyer persona. And that, my advertising friends, is your buyer persona template. Your action item is to use the buyer persona worksheet to identify who you're targeting. If you're enjoying the course and you're finding value in it, share it with your work buddies, leave a testimonial, or just share feedback with us. I'll see you in the next lesson.